In an era where contemporary design often prioritizes minimalism and functionality, a new 4 BHK residence stands out by seamlessly integrating these elements with abundant natural light and Vastu compliance. This modern home, designed for a family spanning 3 generations, offers a harmonious blend of spaciousness, connectivity, and tranquility. One of the primary design directives from the clients was to create a home that feels spacious and is flooded with natural light. This objective has been masterfully achieved through an open floor plan that visually connects key areas of the house. Upon entering, the living room immediately opens up to views of the kids' bedroom, kitchen, and dining area, enhancing the sense of expansiveness. The strategic use of large windows and open spaces ensures that daylight pools into every corner of the residence, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. A unique feature of this residence is the integration of the dining area with the island kitchen platform. Instead of allocating a separate room for dining, the design incorporates the dining table into the island, making it the central node of the home. This innovative layout not only saves space but also enhances the functionality and flow of the living area. The continuous material palette from the TV unit to the kitchen platform maintains visual coherence, while the black tile on the kitchen dado provides a striking contrast to the otherwise white-dominated space. Lighting plays a crucial role in defining the ambience of this residence. A standout feature is the accent lighting in the form of a tube, which stretches from the entrance ceiling to the dining area. This curvilinear element not only illuminates the pathway but also adds a sculptural quality to the design, guiding visitors through the space with a gentle, artistic touch. Adhering to Vastu principles, the northeast corner of the house, initially designated as a servant room, has been transformed into a serene pooja room. This space is designed to foster tranquility and meditation, featuring a floating platform above a water body and a wooden cube enclosure with a tree mural. These elements combine to create a peaceful and reflective environment, perfect for spiritual practices. The kids' room has been thoughtfully designed to be both versatile and connected to the main living areas. It opens up towards the living room and is screened with fabric glass and greenery elements, providing privacy without sacrificing openness. On the other side, a sliding partition allows the room to merge with the dining area, creating a larger, multifunctional space when needed. This flexibility ensures that the room can adapt to various activities and family needs. The guest room, which has direct access from the living room, is a testament to the careful selection of materials and attention to detail. The bed back wall features a highlighter stone in black, complemented by white oak veneer. The bed itself is upholstered in a rich brown fabric, adding warmth and comfort. The flooring extends into the guest bathroom, where green tiles and a pocket of greenery in the shower area create a refreshing and cohesive look. The master bedroom and the parents' bedroom, both accessible from the dining area, showcase distinctive design elements that maintain a unified aesthetic. The master bedroom features a bold shade of maroon paired with exposed concrete textures, creating a striking and sophisticated environment. A cluster of paintings in the same hue highlights the wall beside the bed, adding a touch of artistry. In the parents' bedroom, a concrete texture unifies the space with the rest of the residence, while a blue wallpaper finish for the wardrobe introduces a serene and calming color. A statement chair in a matching hue completes the setting, providing a comfortable and stylish seating area. One of the most striking transformations in this residence is the conversion of the northeast corner servant room into a spacious puja room, in line with Vastu compliance. This space stands on a floating platform above a water body, creating a serene and tranquil ambience for meditation and prayer. Enclosed in a wooden cube, the puja room is accentuated by a tree mural, enhancing the spiritual atmosphere. The residence is unified through a consistent use of materials and colors. Concrete texture is a recurring element in all rooms, including the puja area, providing a modern and cohesive look. The kids' room, screened with fabric glass and greenery, seamlessly connects to the living room on one side and the dining area on the other, thanks to a sliding partition. In the guest room, a highlighter stone in black and white oak veneer forms the bed's back wall, while the flooring continues into the guest bathroom, complemented by green tiles and a pocket of greenery. The master bedroom's bold maroon shade and exposed concrete texture create a dramatic effect, further enhanced by a cluster of paintings in the same hue. In contrast, the parents' bedroom features a calming blue wallpaper finish for the wardrobe, paired with a statement chair in a similar hue. This 4 BHK residence can be best described as a tranquil abode wrapped in white. It combines modern design elements with thoughtful functionality to create a harmonious living space for 3 generations. From the central hub of the kitchen and dining area to the serene puja room and versatile kids' room, every aspect of this home has been designed with care and attention to detail. The result is a residence that not only meets the practical needs of its inhabitants but also provides a serene and aesthetically pleasing environment.